Hey everyone, how to set YouTube thumbnail on your phone. For this, go to the YouTube and in YouTube, choose your account in right top corner. Then in your account, tap YouTube Studio. After you install your YouTube Studio application, you can set thumbnail here. Choose your video, then tap Edit. I can't edit this video thumbnail because it is short video. But if we choose other video and tap Edit, we can change thumbnail. Tap Edit once more, and here we can choose thumbnail from our video or choose custom thumbnail. For example, tap Custom Thumbnail and choose any image from your phone. After that, tap Done in right top corner, and we changed our thumbnail. If you have any questions, write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.